Hey guys, so we just got our first box from Tavour. If you're not familiar with them, they're a mail order beer company. So you can get a lot of stuff that's not available in your area. Really great stuff. Let's see what we got. Looks like we got a welcome letter. So this is Dumb Fruit 6. This is from Eviltwin Brewing. Looks like this is sour ale with black currant, pineapple, mango, and cocoa dusted almonds. Looks really good. Got a bottle here in the middle. Looks like this one is called Raised Bed, a barn beer with herbs. And this one is from Bee Farm Brewery. Bee Farm Brewery in Poughkeepsie, New York. Very cool. Looks like we've got an Angry Chair Untitled Art collaboration, loaded French Toast Imperial Stout. Excited about this one. And lastly, we have, it's a little hard to read, Skeleton Walker, Pumpkin S'mores Imperial Porter. This one's from Casita Brewing. Excellent. Awesome Halloween themed can there. So yeah, big thank you to Tavour for sending this stuff out, and let you know what we think.